Ever wondered how the delicious blackberries you enjoy make their way from the farm to your table? Today, we'll take you through the entire production process, from harvesting to reaching the consumer. Harvesting blackberries requires a blend of precision, timing, and care to ensure the fruit remains at its peak quality from the field to the processing facility. The ideal moment for harvesting is when the blackberries are fully ripe, showcasing their richest color and sweetest taste. This timing is crucial to capture the best possible flavor and texture. In large-scale operations, mechanical harvesters are often used to efficiently cover vast fields. These machines are specifically designed to handle the delicate blackberries with care. They operate by gently shaking the bushes, causing the ripe berries to fall into collection trays below. The machinery is finely tuned to apply just the right amount of force, enough to dislodge the ripe berries without damaging them, while leaving the unripe fruit on the bush to mature further. Human workers are an integral part of the process, even in these mechanized settings. They oversee the operation of the harvesters, ensuring everything runs smoothly and making adjustments as needed. In more sensitive areas of the field, or when dealing with particularly delicate fruit, workers may step in to harvest by hand, ensuring that the berries are handled with the utmost care. Once picked, the blackberries are immediately placed into shallow containers that prevent them from being crushed under their own weight. The harvested fruit is quickly transported to the processing facility to maintain its freshness. By combining the efficiency of machinery with the attentiveness of skilled workers, this harvesting process ensures that the blackberries reach the next stage of production in the best possible condition, ready to be sorted, graded, and eventually enjoyed by consumers. When blackberries arrive at the processing facility, they begin a detailed journey that ensures only the finest berries make it to the final product. This process starts with sorting and grading, followed by thorough cleaning and drying. Each step is vital to maintaining the quality of the blackberries, ensuring that the fruit reaching consumers is fresh, flavorful, and visually appealing. Upon arrival, the blackberries are carefully unloaded and placed on conveyor belts, initiating their first inspection. This phase combines human expertise with advanced technology, ensuring that any damaged, underripe, or overripe berries, along with debris like leaves and stems, are swiftly removed. The collaboration between skilled workers and automated systems is essential, eliminating imperfections early in the process and setting the stage for a high-quality final product. Following this initial sorting, the blackberries move on to a more refined stage where they are sorted by size, color, and firmness. This process is handled by state-of-the-art sorting machines equipped with sensors that quickly and accurately assess each berry's characteristics. These machines are crucial in handling large volumes of berries efficiently. The size of the blackberries is particularly important because it determines their intended use. Larger berries are often reserved for fresh market sales, where size and appearance are highly valued. In contrast, smaller berries might be directed toward processing into jams, jellies, or purees, where size is less critical. Color plays a significant role in this stage, serving as an indicator of ripeness and overall quality. Only blackberries with the deep, rich hue associated with perfect ripeness continue along the production line. Firmness, another critical factor, impacts the berry's shelf life and their ability to withstand transportation without damage. Berries that are too soft may spoil quickly, while those that are too firm might not provide the juicy texture consumers expect. Once sorting is complete, the blackberries proceed to the grading process. Grading is the final classification step, where berries are categorized based on overall quality. This step is crucial for maintaining consistency across the product line. Whether the blackberries are destined for fresh consumption, freezing, or further processing. The grading criteria ensure that every package of blackberries meets consumer expectations for flavor, appearance, and texture, providing a satisfying experience. High-grade berries, which meet all stringent quality standards, are typically reserved for the fresh market. These are the berries that consumers see on grocery store shelves, promising the best in flavor and appearance. Meanwhile, berries that may not meet the highest visual standards but are still flavorful and nutritious are often directed to freezing or processing facilities, where they can be transformed into various blackberry-based products like jams, jellies, or purees. After sorting and grading, the blackberries move to the cleaning and drying line. Here, they are gently washed with clean, cool water to remove any remaining dirt or residues. This washing process is essential to ensure that the blackberries are free from contaminants. Once cleaned, the berries are carefully dried using air or soft rollers, preserving their delicate structure while effectively removing excess moisture, critical for preventing mold or spoilage during storage and transportation. The entire process of sorting, grading, cleaning, and drying is meticulously designed to ensure that the blackberries are in optimal condition as they move forward to the packaging stage. By the time they are ready for packaging, these carefully handled berries have undergone a series of steps that maintain their freshness, flavor, and quality. This rigorous process ensures that consumers receive only the best blackberries, reflecting the high standards maintained throughout their journey from field to table. In the packaging stage, blackberries travel along a conveyor belt and are gently dropped into carton boxes lined with protective plastic bags. Workers weigh the berries to ensure each box contains the precise amount. Once filled, the bags are sealed to maintain freshness and prevent contamination. The boxes are then labeled with essential details like the packing date and variety. After this careful process, the blackberries are ready for shipping, ensuring they arrive at their destination in perfect condition for consumers. Once the blackberries are meticulously packaged, they embark on their journey to consumers through a carefully managed shipping and distribution process. At the factory, the focus shifts from packaging to efficiently handling and processing the influx of orders. These orders typically come in from various retailers, grocery chains, and distribution centers across the country, all eager to receive their shipments of fresh blackberries. The logistics team plays a critical role in this phase, ensuring every order is accurately recorded and scheduled for timely dispatch. Each detail, from the quantity of berries to the specific packaging requirements, is double-checked to meet the precise needs of each customer. Once verified, the packaged blackberries are moved to the shipping area, where they are organized according to their destinations. Maintaining the freshness of the blackberries during transit is a top priority. To achieve this, the factory relies on temperature-controlled environments throughout the entire shipping process. Refrigerated trucks, which are vital for preserving the berries' delicate texture and flavor, are prepared to transport the shipments. These trucks are carefully loaded, ensuring that the blackberries remain cool and are not subjected to any unnecessary temperature fluctuations that could compromise their quality. The factory partners with reliable carriers to manage the transportation of the blackberries. These carriers, equipped with advanced refrigeration technology, ensure that the berries are handled with care from the moment they leave the factory until they reach distribution centers nationwide. At these centers, the blackberries are stored in cold storage facilities before being distributed to various grocery stores, farmers markets, and other retail outlets. Through this seamless process from order receipt to final delivery, the factory ensures that consumers receive blackberries that are as fresh and flavorful as when they were first picked, ready to be enjoyed in homes across the country. After meticulous harvesting, sorting, and packaging, blackberries arrive at grocery stores, farmers markets, or via online orders. Retailers keep them in refrigerated sections to maintain freshness. Whether added to recipes or enjoyed on their own, these carefully handled berries offer the sweet, tangy flavor consumers cherish. So, there you have it, the fascinating journey from ripe blackberries to the sweet, juicy berries you love. If you enjoyed learning about blackberry production, stay tuned for our next video about the journey of peaches from orchard to table.